To fix the Sony ZV-E10 camera showing an empty folder on a PC computer. So right here you can see it showing this folder is empty. Now on your camera, what you want to do is press on the menu button. Here we go to network. So using the dial button here, we navigate to network and then press on the down button and go to network 1. Then we go down and select PC remote function. Press on the center button here and then select PC remote. Now press on the down button to go down and select off. Okay, on your computer, the folder should be closed. We open it. You may want to disconnect this USB cable and we plug it back in. Okay, after you plug it back in, it should show USB mod MTP. And on computer here, it shows storage media. Here I'll go in and I'll tap on the folder. I can now view videos, files, and pictures on the Sony camera. And that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching this video.